How to fix Play Store retry problem on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Play Store retry problem on Android phone. First, then open settings, wait, settings, and then click apps here, and then apps again, and here you need to find Google Play Store, and and then just click storage and clear cache, and now click force stop. And if that doesn't fix your problem, just go to settings again, apps and Google Play Store, and then go to storage and clear data and click OK, and now your problem must be fixed. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.